Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdor, bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from the Bosco Media network. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya AIDS Control Society organizes World AIDS Day. Improvement of coal mining activities and tourism in the process, Chief Minister. Higher secondary schools in Meghalaya reopened from today. And the voice of the public is important than anything else, Kirman. And now the news in detail. Along with the rest of the world, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society today observed the World AIDS Day with a befitting function held at Usosotham Auditorium in Shillong. This year's theme, Global Solidarity Shared Responsibility, is to create a global awareness for an AIDS-free world. The day also marked with paying tribute to all those who are providing HIV services, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Commissioner and Secretary Sampath Kumar expressed concern over the health scenarios in the state, as Meghalaya has been ranked as the 5th state in the country that has been affected with HIV/AIDS. Kumar was, however, optimistic in the fight against HIV/AIDS as the government is making all efforts to contain the spread of the disease with its available resources. He said early understanding of the disease and the readiness to seek medical health at the earliest is the best way to prevent the spread of the disease.
I think who are working for this cause, it's really very inspiring to listen to him. And I really thank our Honorable Church and also Member Secretary Meghalaya Legal Services Authority for Mr. Khan, who has given a very enlightening speech, which actually gives us the legal framework that is giving us to protect the HIV patients from discrimination.
Speaking on the occasion, Member Secretary of Meghalaya Legal Service Authority M.A. Khan informed the gathering that the HIV/AIDS Protection Act 2017 protects people living with HIV/AIDS. He said this act protects these people and their rights should not be denied. Kumar also said that the law does not allow stigmatization of people living with HIV/AIDS.
Where, handling the disease in an inappropriate manner has been made an offense. When we are here, what is very important for us to understand that how do we react to certain mysterious diseases. When I say so, I am also abandoning at COVID-19. To begin with, there are sometimes life-threatening viruses. The cure or antidotes may not be available immediately. As a result, it instills fear in people's mind. And the persons infected are isolated, deprived of the basic right, forced to live a recluse life. It is important for us to understand as to how society as a whole react to pandemics, epidemics, whatever be the situation. The fundamental values upon which a civilized society thrives cannot be compromised.
The project director of Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Dr. Mrs. R. Alia, informed about the problem of providing medicines to the HIV/AIDS patient during the COVID-19 pandemic. She, however, said this issue could be sorted out with community participation.
To the COVID-19 pandemic, this year's theme joins a growing list of challenges that World AIDS Day has alerted people globally. Founded in 1988, World AIDS Day was the first ever International Day for Global Health. Every year, United Nations agencies, government, and civil society join together to campaign around specific themes related to HIV and also to have awareness-raising activities take place around the globe.
While peer education firmly Milliam Ngap said he was stigmatized because of the disease, but that did not deter him to go on in life. Having overcome all this negative impression created due to lack of understanding of the disease, he is now perfectly well and is willing to extend his service to anyone who is in need.
How I overcome that, it's the rules that I made for myself. I would love to talk about that. There is only one you because there's no one like you. Let your dream fly, let them wings. Be who you want to be. Be greedy for your ambitious, be hungry for it. Be bold and take this risk. Surround yourself with the right people. I know I was just a person that will just live in this world, who have nothing to do. But I won't promise, but I'm sure that I will work hard for my community, for my people, not just for my community, for the people who need my help to work for them.
The World AIDS Day was also marked with distribution of prizes to the successful winners of various quiz competitions relating to HIV/AIDS. Like every year, World AIDS Day is also observed today in July in spite of the pandemic in MCSWA DIC. It was organized by the Jaintia Network for Positive People JNP Plus in collaboration with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong. Speaking on the occasion on the theme Global Solidarity, Share Responsibility, Shri B. Karmalki, Secretary MSNP, stressed on the responsibility of each and everyone to fight against this common enemy. Reiterating the fact that this virus is deadly, but with the advancement of technology, it can be prevented. He also said that HIV-positive people should continue medication with proper guidance. The DSP Crime West Jaintia Hills Srimati C. Lingdor expressed appreciation to those positive people who came forward to fight the virus. She also encouraged women to come forward at any point of time, since in the police department they have a special cell for women, stating that by keeping quiet, it will only make matters worse and the wrongdoers will be more confident to continue their activities. Others who spoke on the occasion include J. Sinha, District Social Welfare Officer, West Jaintia Hills, R. Ksu, Jaintia Network for Positive People, Dr. J. N. Shulai, Director MCSWA, Srimati H. Shalam, Representative DCPU and others.
From time to time maju awareness program sepangwa kaman ki beruban sekman kayi jinge rap ina liang pulet kamtam itu ki buru sa le bin le ko kamtam kam ong reten freng ki discriminate ki dan le cha man ika right yom ki haki imlang sa lang ika hok yom ki haki imlang sa lang cha ban ben ki Sekam kita nga ong ibigan tu pi iha po police department i amigo ko kamtam ki kan thai mo ikan amiga woman police station ko am du kan thai de tin tin tibo kam ni kan thai mo kamtam i kamtam ong kam chu do wan ho police chen ram mo taklami osar bai kam te chem nga to ko bur ko kam te am ku jidom tin tin kam ho lem len no hi te o to bo ni chen ram pulit ile am hi ko ong ko tâm tiền được lên mà hay thâu y cái gì rap yêu pi tiền thai của em tụi cái gì chỉ tầm một trăm đi hay thâu y cái gì rap kan kelam tâm gì mà kelam cái tiền của rap thêm qua tiền tiền thai của one vô vô gì rap độ increment nó kì anh đây có bên chi pi ni por và tụi là em cái kita one job office trong y ngay em có police department ngao em có SP office trong á Lem one problems bu kam kita champi one for office jong I ngana lem yong nga ka do yo yu berap lithi dan em ki ka woman police station le ko em ta po joy police station wo du ki kan thai ko em ki wo da be training hi to kamanu deal pilam kamanu gerap hi ki kan thai na ki wa em ki em kam jinira untuk man ki bu klem kor ni to em ki ki sinyal ko sim kamtam I pulut kamtam kam ki kan thai to em ki sim kan thai ki sim kamanu em itu ka ugin hakika katuka kamarang makrike amti lene kataka mensin cukup piwa kajing sistem ni kataka jm kam jingrap kaman nga emo tijing senyau ya katuka burulan ne ya ko khana rim to u chim he yu to o katu khana to kan thai go takai o katu kan thai to ko kam te rim ho ban buru judge lene ko to yo judge lo bisar ye ijing long jing man yang ko buru dari ikam police department to yi kam kam yarap to yarap i dei mesin ko ko to ile man rasu ko man i to ka duty yang itu extend ni dan yarap ya gitu buru kam ke yarap tengah hari ni
kadai ka member of the steering committee ni don lang hapo ke steering committee jong ka sarkar lang bangila ban pe pakai ka campaign pakai ya long ka bayaj pe kampai ka ba kia silang la ni ka ba long ka badon kanu ka ill effects pat ya ubadi kamar kani ka ngisi ba bun sin higi campaign kan demi kanu ka campaign from drugs ngisi be ka kadon be ka kajing sniu pa bami yang ngi body drugs takadaw ngi kum ka Meghalaya user forum na po silong nila katpa di social welfare bahkan tutup lang ini nang mangingpit bahkan message kanong kata ay kita kade marpek manus nam kat badon ka World Drug Day si jong illicit ka akun Rio June kay kabaji manus nam tang lakut ka 26 June kirang baas nong dumay mam ki pulit baaro ko kin siya lumlod yu drug addict banya tit ang to namar belayu bansange no drug takadaw balay ni de po social welfare ni ong bait ba nothing about us without us so bahkan kup lang ini ngambangin niya don lang hindi bangin niya le percaya IP hindi bangin niya support lang bangin kersan lang IP habang ai kan ka message lang ni kan ka kubor sa ki ilmang talang
Shri Conrad K. Sangma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, has assured the Association of Village Chiefs under the Sora Civil Subdivision that the government will be introducing programs to train miners on mining as per the latest methods and knowledge available today. The above Association of Village Chiefs from Sora under the leadership of Shri Titos W. Khan, the MDC of Sora, the Chief Minister today to urge upon him to find new economic activities for the people of the area who have been affected immensely by the present pandemic and environmental factors. Speaking to the members of the press, Shri Titos said the Chief Minister has assured him and the village chiefs that he will be earmarking a major chunk of the rupees 700 crore funds for Sora and its people, especially in terms of improving the quality of the facilities for tourism and connectivity by roads. Another issue that was raised by him and the chiefs was regarding the urgent need to disburse the salaries of the employees of MCCL, which has been pending for the last 15 months.
Supreme Court order ke mentan nakaliang jauh ke sarkar kalau syak yaki traipan mungkin apply ke mining lease but hoi isu tu kedon bijing bangin nomlak syuk ya ke bangin led segitu ki sistem ke barim kepada ke rat hole mining ni haban lek no ada scientific tinggi dan kam ban ai awareness sigi bri jungi jauh petai jungi ki bang pat sutu sepang ke jingti duyong ke batamai dinala alor kan ni siam lakulan ban bu ya kawi ka training nak bentaki miners jong ka Sora division kemudian jong ki baik-baik jong ka Sora kan don kawi ka training akaba kan long ka awareness bagi beri ke sutu yang ni ke jingti duyong ha ka rupang ko temai kebaar nilai keren ru halor ka bede bakan tourism kade ka kubur ka pasong tanat ba nakaliang Chief Minister ula keren na kapasyay ula ay yung ka assurance ba ka major investment hagi ni gisnam ki banwan kanday hakaliang jong tourism ba kum juru jong ki surok nilai keren ni kajing sniu jong surok nadu na untengar hadu Sora ba de kani nakaliang Chief Minister ula yathu bala sanction ya ka bisa ka batamai nakabantaban pentamai yang ini kesurok nakwa bagi yang ini ke MCCL makan yang makan long ke jing mentoy nak tapi pajba tinggal diskus sibun ke AKA ba min sadan biam ke meeting ke jing kendu har bangin yang kham yang keren sani susu hatang ya ke MCCL humno ba ka kan yang rumno ban penyat ya ka la kalong ba sarkar kenang penyat ne ban perkhat ku bai pa dia kani kendang don ke jing keren mo nakaliang siam lo apa nang keren pat ka wei ka bagi personal kalau ngi jing jo binong tre bagi le kendu le khi menta bagi sebio keren dan mereka nakaliang sokar ikut bakal apoi ke state ke ba imat bandabu inquiry kumsong mento su namar baka FCL kalau apoi haduk kan ni dan mereka katarong iperhat nang ngi expect nang menta ka babaha ba kai banle kan long nang menta ka jing mento jong ba jong ba.
Thousands of students belonging to higher secondary school in Meghalaya who were forced not to attend schools due to COVID-19 pandemic are back to educational institutions from today. Jubilant students who attended classes today said that they are very happy to be back to normal schooling as they will be able to interact with teachers to clear their doubts. Meghalaya Education Department has allowed the reopening of educational institutions across the state from yesterday with strict adherence to protocol issued by the government. The aim of reopening of higher secondary schools is to enable the students to prepare themselves for the Meghalaya Board of School Education Examinations 2021. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Shallah today said that the cement companies operating in East Jaintia Hills district must operate by following all the norms and protocols for environmental protection. Shallah, who hails from Cleariat constituency, points out that recently the district saw violence during a public hearing conducted for expansion of mining activities by Star Cement, which brought about misunderstanding among the people of the area. Speaking to media fraternity, Shallah said he stands with the people and it is the people of the area who should decide whether the cement companies should expand their mining activities or not. Earlier he said that if any development bring benefits to the people, it should be welcomed while stressing the need to protect environment at the same time.
So when it comes to this hearing which was held recently in East Jaintia Hills in the campus of Deputy Commissioner Office, the old Deputy Commissioner Office, what happened exactly we don't know. I was not there, but I heard that there's supposed to be a hearing but which cannot be completed due to some circumstances arise that they stop this public hearing. So my view is that if anything, if the public allow means not against with any development, we should go ahead. But if any development which we bring are against the public, then that means that should not happen. We are here for the public. Whatever we do is that for the welfare of the public, and then they should be the maximum benefit should goes to our public. So all my concern is that if by giving the Star Cement the opportunity to go for a bigger mining, and then if that development brings benefit to our people, especially the villagers who reside on that area, and then the nearby, maybe the district as a whole, we know that when they do some kind of mining, through that legally process of mining, the state will earn revenue. At the same time, we should not deprive the rights of the person of our people who reside on that area. If by taking the opportunity and then neglect the public, that should not happen. I am with the public, no matter whatever it is, I am with the public. So what is the public's demand? We should go ahead with that. Neither we should listen to the Star Cement nor to someone else who just want to create problems, but public is number one. So their views is our concern. They should. It's a must actually, because the government, they provide that this norm should be followed. So it's not that they will take the opportunity and by not fulfilling the norms and all, they has to follow the norms, each and every norms which are provided that needs to be followed. If they try to break the rules, that means they are going against the environment. It will affect the public, it will affect the wildlife. So if they go as per the guidelines, as per the norms provided, means nothing will happen, means all will be completely, will be in a proper way of doing any kind of developments.
The Office of the Superintendent of Police for Traffic has issued a notice informing all bikers and pillion riders that wearing of helmets has been made compulsory from 1st December 2020. Defaulters will be penalized as per the provision of Section 194D of the Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019. The SP has also requested the help of all the headmen to create awareness in this regard. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.